All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today is the 5th of November, 2023. Real quick, talking about Stellar Lumens, trying to figure out if the market's going to continue to give us these gains that we've seen over the last couple of trading days, or will we embark on a total collapse in the value of Stellar. Now, if you look at the chart right now, it doesn't look like there's going to be no collapse at all. The market clearly is bullish. So obviously, the idea that we're going to do today on this video is going to be looking for price in Stellar to continue to go higher. But I wanted to pinpoint some things off this chart to show you that the market may not go that high though. And the market buyers will have to actually break the price above this certain key level in order for us to see more gains. Let's talk about it. Now, I did a price prediction in Stellar all the way back here on October the 1st, 2023. Looking for the price to go down. You guys can see that's pretty much where the market in Stellar moved to and went lower. Only thing is that it didn't come all the way down to our ultimate area of TP, was around a dime, but we were pretty close. Right there on October the 12th, the low came in at a dime and a tenth, or hundreds of thousands. So we're pretty close. So I count that. All right, so right there, 10.5% in Stellar there. So now look at the market currently. When we did our video on October the 1st, we were tracking the downtrend that was currently in the market for Stellar. Well, look at today. The market's no longer trending down. In fact, what's going on? We're trending to the upside. This is one indication why we're saying that there's not going to be a total collapse in the price action for Stellar right now. Also, the market is held. Also, you can see here in Stellar, let me show you this. Since the market's no longer trending down, we're going to pinpoint where resistance currently lies into the market in Stellar. Resistance simply means that this is the location, the price level to where there's more sellers than there are people willing to buy a particular market for. Okay, so this is it. So as we see the market clearly embarking and attempting to take out this particular level, which is around 13.5 cents, we need to think about, okay, cool, the market may just go that high. And then we may see the market in Stellar continue to trend back down, maybe trade within a trading channel, something of that sort, until we're ready to see the market continue to break out. You can see right now, even on today's price action, that the market currently is only up 0.4% right now, and the increased volume as well as when the market currently is closing lets us know that, yeah, there's sellers in the market here in Stellar right now. As a matter of fact, let me extend this over at the high of today. You can see that it takes us to the high of this particular day, to where more selling hit the market right there. So let's not be surprised. Volumes also was heavy on the 29th of August. What happened to the price falling the 29th of August? Price went down. Will we see the same type of price action today in Stellar? Maybe. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. Again, the market is getting tired. I mean, it was a great run starting all the way back here on the 16th of October, 18th of October, the market ran up 26%. So maybe it's time for the market in Stellar to take a break. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Take a look at Stellar on the 5. Stellar on the weekly. Stellar on the 2 weeks. Let's look at this on the monthly since we're starting out on a new month. So this was the last month printed price bar. Does that look bullish to you? It does look bullish to me, especially when you consider September and even August, the price action in Stellar going down, and the market finally has given us a month to where the price closed higher than the previous month. So that's very good to see. Stellar on 330-minute chart. Again, charts don't lie. We're getting the same amount of volume on this 330-minute bar just like we are on the current one. 26 minutes left. Volume is high as well. Selling is hitting the market. I'm just telling you the truth. So from out the gate, we may see the market in Stellar go down. Be prepared for it because the chart actually is letting us know that right now. Okay. You guys can see it even here on the 1-hour chart where all the volume came in and all the selling occurred. Right here. This was mostly selling on this 1-hour bar. Price went down. Buyers came in on this 1-hour bar. But the sellers are still hitting the market because the next hour it went right back down. So what do I think? Initially, from out the gate, I think that Stellar is a little bit weak. It has to get rid of these sellers first before we see the market reclaim to higher prices. But since I don't cover this particular cryptocurrency on a day-to-day basis, we're going to anticipate, given what we've seen on the longer term, that the market in Stellar is still geared for higher prices. Now, again, just because I'm predicting that, we already can see that the market is hitting a high right now. So we may have actually hit the high into the market in Stellar right now. Now, in order for us to actually continue with the idea that Stellar is more bullish than being bearish, it has to keep in line with this trend line. The moment you see price and Stellar break that trend line, you need to readjust your thinking and say, okay, cool. Obviously the market's not that bullish anymore. Let me readjust my situation. So I really want to see the market in Stellar hold this area of support right here, which is around like 11.5 cents. I don't want to see the market celebrate that to the downside. First target is already here on the high of the bar, almost 13%, 0.1288. That's my first target. My second target is going to be around 13 cents, 4.5%. My third target is all the way up here at the high that occurred on September 10th and the 11th, with this around 7% move. Okay, so let's just see how the market plays out. I'm telling you right now, selling is in the market right now. So if we see price in Stellar go down, don't act like you're surprised, because I'm telling you that right now. After that, we'll see how strong the market is. If they're willing to continue to push this price up in Stellar, good job. If not, we already knew about it. All right, so I'm finished. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.